Hello guys, today we will discuss about the how you will be earn up to $1,000 per month in this the software which was is the creative fabrica, which was is the very today we will the trending software which was is the very useful and you very earning potential of this type of the software. If you are the how to use this software and how to earn from this software, you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month. So will please follow the all the videos, please check out my all the videos, and you will be check out my please subscribe my channels and please check out all the my videos, and you will be I teach to you how to earn $1,000 per month from the online earning, and you will be easily up to this type of the earning potential. You will be earn up to $1,000 per month. So without your wasting time, we will start the videos. What you should do? So we first of all we go to the Googles and we will search the creative fabric. Creative fabrica you will be search, then after you will get the results with the creative fabrica, which was is the very premium crafting fonting graphic designing software, which was is a very useful, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month. Without this using your this softwares, you will be earn very much amount of the monies. So will we go to the what happened? You will be see this is the font, this is the graphic, this is the craft, embroidery, class tools and PODs, bundles, fans and subscribers models. Okay, this type of the software which is the trending because they are the using of the this use. After this in this usage, you will be create so much contents of the different from them. You see so many types of the fonts are also available, graphic also available. You see different type of the fonts you will be available from the different source of. You will be see the birthdays and hunted and so many types of the fonts are also available. If you are the required any type of the fonts, you will be go to there and you will purchase this type of the font, and you will be create contents around this type of the whatever digital products, and you will be sell on the Amazon KDP. You will be easily earn up to $1,000 per month using this type of the website, and you will be easily your investment is very much low. You show each and every art is the 3.3, 1.57, $1, $2 within $5. All the you see. If you are the very useful in this the particular this website, you will be go to the subscription models, and these are the only for $90. You saw. 4 types of the plans are also available. Craft and the all access you $29 per month easily. You will be all the content you will be free easily available, and you will be used as per your designs and as per your requirement. So please check out the all the whatever you want to, you will be select, and you will be purchase of those type of the needs, and you will be please research on these things, and you will be easily up to $1,000 per month. So please check out my website, and you will be easily up to $1,000 per month. This is the $29 per month. You will be easily up to $1,000 investing of the $29 per month, and you will be easily up to $1,000 per month. So you will be easily create this type of the content. You see which we see how much about the service they will provide. You see graphic 3D home craft, coloring book for adults, coloring book for the kids, teaching materials also available, patterns, crotch patterns, painting patterns, crotch sketch patterns, all the things you see, illustration, background, KDP, interior, browsing, all the you will be you see. All type of the niches are also there, and you will be easily create this type of the content using this type of the craft. You will be easily earn money from them. You show so many types of the graphic and font also available. This type of the content you will be easily up to $1,000 per month. So please check out this website, and you will be subscribed, and if you possible to you will be subscribe and contain your parallel to the KDP, Amazon KDP, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month. You see different so many types of the niche are also available. This is font also available. You see in this purchasing this website, and you will be selling to the other website and other publisher. You see Fiverr works or the Canva work, Upwork work, also online freelancing work. You will be created. You will be I think you will be first of all you looking the work, then after you will be get some work, then after look out this website, and you will be easily up to this money from $1,000 per month purchasing this software, and you will be use this type of the whatever you content they will be used, and you will be purchasing your niche, and you will be easily up to $1,000 per month. So please check out all the videos of my I will upload regularly from the how to earn online and what you should do for the your better financial freedoms, and you will be up to $1,000 per month without going to any office or anything. You will be do work from home. Okay, so you will be work on internet, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month easily. You will be this type of a website is very potential to you. You will be please check out these websites, and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month.